So guys, by the title, you know what this box is. Obviously, it's the DJI Mavic Air. I have never even held this thing in my hand, seen it in person, nothing. So this is my literal unboxing, setup, and first impressions. Haven't even seen it like on display anywhere. Fresh from Hong Kong or wherever the hell they shipped it from. And I got this fancy dual camera setup, so hopefully this is good. Let's see if my invoice is in here with my address. We'll hide that. We have a box, of course. And then just some foam, so we don't need this anymore. Here is what it looks like. This is the Fly More combo, of course. I had to get that. That's what it looks like. Very cool. So let's get right into it. And this is the Arctic white one. As you can see, there's a dot right there, and it says Arctic white right there. And it looks like you can just take this sticker right off, and then this opens up. Ooh, fancy. So everything in the box is here. I assume this is the drone, which if that's the case, that's crazy because that's super small. Maybe it's not. Maybe this is the drone. I don't know. We'll see. There's a lot going on. And then there's another box in here. We'll take this out. And another little box. And that's it. So let's start with the most uninteresting box, which I would say is this little thing. I don't think there's anything in here. Yeah, this is literally just like, just padding. Gotta double check though. Yeah, see, nothing. Nothing. Okay, so second most interesting would probably be this box. So we have some prop guards, which I honestly will never use. And then we have booklets, and that's it. And this mentions the DJI Care refresh. I personally am not going to do this just because I have so many drones. It just wouldn't make sense. And then there's also like a quick start guide right here. Safety, which is real thick. The battery manual, propeller guard manual, battery to power bank adapter manual, battery charging hub manual. So that is a lot of reading material, and I don't advise you to just throw this stuff around because a lot of people throw their manuals and then they end up crashing their drones. So keep that in mind. Don't be stupid. Like actually care and like, yeah, you know what I'm saying. So let's put that to the side. I think this is the drone itself. Yeah, we don't want to look at that quite yet. Let's look at this. So this is like a really nice case. I like it. Like it's almost like, feels like a jean material. Says Mavic Air shoulder bag. And inside we have a box. We have the controller. We have, what is this? Oh, that's for the battery charging hub. Here is another charger. battery, battery, and a cable. And that appears to be it. There's also like, it looks like a zipper on this bag itself, so that's pretty neat. I don't think anything's in it, but you can store like, you could store your passport or cash or anything in there. Okay, so here are the batteries. Looks like they're either like disabled or have no power when they're shipped. This does have some juice to it, you can see. It says unfold the antennas and mobile device clamps, then attach the control sticks. So there's some satisfying stuff right here. Ooh, not satisfying. Then there's the sticker. And then this is very familiar feeling. Other than the control sticks, which are down here. And they actually just screw in. Oh, that was nice. Like that screwed in really easy. Like I'm not sure how that mechanism even works. But they screwed in very nice. But yeah, it basically feels like a Spark controller. You know, it doesn't have the distance and stuff like the Mavic Pro, so that kind of is what sets it apart. And then it looks like it has the lightning cable as a default, so that'll be perfect for my iPhone. And in this box, probably the accessories for the charger. And then we have propellers, extra props. I like this cable, like it's folded very nicely. And it's a USB-C cable, so that's handy. And it's like flat. I like this cable. Okay. So the way this hub works, I was a little dumbfounded, but you just basically unfold this and then you can charge your batteries. And for this charger here, you just do this. And then the batteries go in like this and like this. And then the drone itself should have a battery. So 3 total batteries, which that is really good. I love 3 batteries. The Spark only came with 2 in the Fly More combo, which is I was a little disappointed over. Like it's a Fly More combo. 2 batteries is not going to get you very far. And then in here we just have, it looks like an adapter for USB-C to micro USB. And then we have some more thumbsticks for the controller. And then more cables for the drone itself. What I'll end up doing is just using the USB-A cable and connecting that directly to my phone. I personally don't really like these cables because they get pinched right here. And then I feel like it just ends up being more of a hassle. So that's all very nice. Love everything so far. So here we are, guys. This is the DJI Mavic Air. Oh my gosh, I like it. Oh my gosh. Here's some stickers that talks about powering on and off. Removing the gimbal clamp stickers. Some more stickers. Looks like we have to how do we do this? Ooh, that folds. That's like a fancy mechanism. Looks like we got cameras and sensors. I read somewhere that there's like 7 cameras on this thing, which there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would assume this is the 7th. And there's a gimbal clamp on it right here, so you just take that off. It's like an all-in-one, so that's really nice. It like clamps it, protects it, everything. Oh man, I like this thing. This battery doesn't appear to be charged either. And it looks like the battery clamping mechanism is pretty cool, because if it's red and unclipped, you'll know, which is kind of necessary because this battery's on the bottom. But yeah, when you push it in, the red goes away. So it's kind of like a pre-flight checklist. Just make sure the red is gone. So that's what that looks like. Let me charge this battery so we can have it charged to set up. And then here, it looks like this is similar to the Spark. That's where the memory card goes. They're chintzy and don't give us one. And then let's just compare this to the other drones, the Mavic Air. Here is the Mavic. Here is the Spark. Can't even get them all in the frame. I'll do it like that. So, first impression, the Mavic Pro is like huge compared to the Mavic Air. The Mavic Air and then the Spark are pretty much the same size, but when you consider that the Spark doesn't fold in, the Mavic Air has a smaller footprint, like in a bag. It's crazy. And then if we compare it to the Mavic Pro, like, oh my gosh. The Mavic Pro, guys, seems like a beast. Like when you compare the thickness, it's like almost twice as thick. It's crazy. And then let's unfold it and then compare what it looks like open. So like first impressions when I open it, it seems like the Mavic has like unnecessarily big arms. Like look how big those arms are compared to the Mavic Air. Like the Mavic Air's arms kind of take cues from the Spark. They're just kind of like short and stubby. But yeah, I'm super excited to fly this thing. It's dark outside right now, and I have to let the batteries charge. So what I'm planning on doing in my next video is probably doing the setup and first flight. So this was just the unboxing experience in comparison to the other drones. Yeah, so that's all I gotta say about that, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Obviously there's gonna be more Mavic Air content coming very soon. I have an exam early next week, so I may just ask for the weekend to study and be alone for that. But that's it. Oh, also, banana for comparison. So banana is bigger than the Mavic Air. Have a great day, guys. See you later. Bye.